Hello folks, sorry long time no videos, but I was pretty busy. I was on travel a lot and then involved in many projects, so don't worry, plenty more to come. But in the meantime, Gizmodo actually came to my basement and made a nice video of my computer restoration activities in my lab in the series Show Me Your Nerd, which is perfect for me. I can show them a lot of nerd. So this is actually going to be a click and bait video. Please click in the doodly-doo below. I put the link that will take you to the Gizmodo site where you can enjoy the video. I think it turned out really nice. Alright, enjoy and see you next time.